In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact FedEx customer service. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their website, of course, depending on your region, it's going to look a bit different, but most of them will have this support button up top where you can go and click on customer support, or down at the very bottom at least, there should be a contact us button. So just click on that and it's going to take you to a separate page here inside the FedEx website where you can see customer support, and then in some regions you'll be able to get assistance via the virtual support assistant. You'll be able to go ahead and check your support ticket via your tracking or case number, or of course you can also give them a call by scrolling down, and here it says didn't find the answer, give us a call, and you can find your customer service phone number by clicking on this link. It's going to take you to the customer support center here, and depending on your region, of course, this number is going to look a bit different, but you'll be able to find it over here, and then you'll be able to see which one you want to call for different regions here. Also, for different things and different questions, you'll be able to see it over here, and then of course you'll be able to enter all the different contact pages via clicking over here. So for example, if you are from Europe, you could go ahead and select your country, like let's say Germany. You could go ahead and click on Germany customer support here, and it's going to take you to their customer support where you'll be able to go ahead and just, of course, essentially get your number to call and get your support. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.